Hello student, today we start JEE exercise sum number 77. If the system of linear equation x minus 4y plus 7z equal to g, 3y minus 5z equal to h and minus 2x plus 5y minus 9 equal to k is consistent, means it has solution, then dash means which statement is true. 2019 question is there. So first of all, here system is consistent. So D is equal to 1 minus 4 7, 0 3 minus 5, minus 2 5 and minus 9. If we simplify this with first column, 1 minus 27 plus 25 minus 2, then minus 20 minus minus 1, it is minus 2 plus 2 is 0. Therefore, we can say that this system has infinitely many solutions. Therefore, system has infinitely many solutions. Okay, now what? We take D1. D1 means we take the term, all the coefficient, and we hide the coefficient of x. So it is minus 4 7g, minus 4 1 minus 4g. Okay, so we hide the term of z, then we get 1 minus 4g, 0, 3h and minus 2, 5 k, and this becomes 0. Okay, d1 is also 0. So now what we get, we just simplify it, we get 1 3k minus 5h plus 4 plus 2x plus g 6 is equal to 0. Therefore, 3k minus 5h plus 8h plus 6g is equal to 0, means 3k plus 3h plus 6g is equal to 0. Taking 3 common, then 2g plus h plus k equal to 0. So this is our equation. So 2g plus h plus k equal to 0, B is the solution. Or another method is what? We just put the value of g, h and k one by one in the equation, then also we get the same answer. Or if you put 2 bracket g means x minus 4y plus 7z plus h means 3y minus 5z plus k minus 2x plus 5y minus 9z, and just simplify, then also we get the answer 0. So this way we can find our answer. So it is very easy and good sum. 2019 sum is there. Okay, then we go for the next one. Okay, 78. If system k plus 2x plus 10y equal to kx plus k plus 3y equal to k minus 1 has no solution, then number of k is dash. On line 2018, this sum can be asked. Okay, here the values are given 1, 2, 3 and infinitely many. So we want to find the number of k for which this system has no solution. Okay, so first of all here, D is equal to k plus 2, 10, k plus 3, and we take this is 0 because has no solution. So therefore, k square plus 5k plus 6 minus 10k is equal to 0. It means k square minus 5k plus 6 equal to 0, means k minus 2, k minus 3 equal to 0, or we get the value of k is 2 or k is 3. Now for verifying, we take k equal to 2. If k equal to 2, then 4x plus 10y equal to 2 and 2x plus 5y. 2x plus 5y is equal to 1. Okay, or if we both equation are same, therefore k equal to 2, then system has no solution. Okay, if k equal to 3, then k equal to 3, then 5x plus 10y equal to 3 and 3x plus 6y equal to 2 are parallel lines. Parallel lines, and parallel lines have no solution. Therefore, we can say that so here for k equal to 2, the system has infinitely many solutions. No solution is here because two parallel lines are there, then they cannot intersect each other. Therefore, we can say that here for k equal to 3, the system has no solution. Okay, so therefore our answer is 1a. Therefore, only one value of k is obtained. Therefore, our answer is A. Right? So remember this thing very carefully. Now we go for the next one. Next 79. Let d belongs to R and A equal to minus 2 4 plus d sin theta minus 2 1 sin theta plus 2 d 5 2 sin theta minus d minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2d, and theta belongs to 0 to 2 pi. If the minimum value of determinant of A is 8, then d is what? Okay, here first of all, determinant of A is equal to minus 2 1 5 4 plus d sin theta plus 2 sin theta plus minus d sin theta minus 2d and minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2d. Okay, now we just simplify it and then we go for the next. Okay, now we take the process that R1 2, R1 minus 2 R2 plus R3, then we get here 1 0 0 1 0 0 1 sin theta plus 2d 5 2 sin theta minus d minus plus 2 minus sin theta plus 2d. Okay, now we just simplify with this one. Then we have sin theta plus 2 into minus sin theta plus 2 plus 2d. Now we just simplify and then we go for the next. Okay, so when we simplify, then we have d plus 2 square minus sin square theta, or where if determinant A is minimum, then sin square theta is maximum. So we put the value of sin square theta is 1 in here, and therefore determinant A equal to this. But the value of determinant is 8, which is given. So what we can say, d plus 2 square is equal to 9. Therefore either d plus 2 is 3, or d plus 2 is minus 3. Okay, therefore d is either 1 or d is minus 5. Okay, so we have minus 5 is the correct answer. C. C is the correct answer of the statement. Okay, now we go for the next. Next 80. Let A is equal to matrix 2b1 b square plus 1b 1b2, where b is greater than 0, then the minimum value of determinant of A upon b is dash. Okay, so here first we find determinant of A. Determinant of A is equal to 2b1 b1 b square plus 1b b2. Okay, now here we just simplify, then we get 2b square plus 2 minus b square minus b, 2b minus b plus 1, then b square minus 1 is equal to here 4 plus 2b square minus b square minus 1 equal 1. Okay, so here b square plus 3 is there. Now we want to find the value of determinant of a upon b. Determinant of a upon b is equal to b square plus 3 upon b. Okay, just we simplify, then b plus 3 upon b. This way we can find. Now we want to find that this value is minimum. So what we can take? We take the middle term of these two. Middle term, we know that the middle term is b or root b square minus 2 root 3 plus root 3 upon root b square plus 2 root 3, or we can say that root b minus root 3 upon root b square plus root 2 root 3. If we want to find the minimum value of this, then this becomes 0. If root b minus root 3 upon root b is 0, then determinant of a upon b gives minimum value, which is 2 root 3. Okay, so our answer is 2 root 3. Option is not given, but this answer is our accurate or actual answer. Okay, go for the next. Okay, 81 sum. If for 3 by 3 matrix P transpose equal to 2P plus 1, then there exists a column matrix X equal to XYZ which is not equal to 0 matrix, such that the 4 conditions are given. So now we start. Okay, so here this is I. Here PT is equal to 2P plus I. We take the transpose of both. Then we get P equal to 2PT plus I. Okay, now PT's value is 2P plus I. Therefore, we can say that 2 bracket P plus 2P plus I plus I. It is 4P plus 2I plus I. It is 4P plus 3I. Or we can say that minus 3P is equal to minus 3 plus 3I, or P equal to minus I. Okay, this is our one result. Now P equal to minus I, and now we go for the next. We take, here we want to find Px. So what we do, we just multiply by X matrix. So Px equal to minus I into X. Therefore, Px equal to minus X. So this is our answer, that Px equal to minus X, which is our D. This is our answer. So D is our answer. Okay, next sum 82. Let A and B are invertible 3 by 3 matrices, and if determinant of A, B, AT is equal to 8 and determinant of A, B inverse equal to 8, then what is the value of determinant of B, A inverse, BT? So here first of all, here determinant of A, B, AT is equal to 8. Therefore, determinant of A and determinant of B, determinant of AT equal to 8. Now here determinant of AT is equal to determinant of A. Okay, so we directly put determinant of A equal to 8 because of AT determinant is equal to determinant of A. So therefore, determinant of A square into determinant of B is equal to 8. This is our first result. Now the second result is, second determinant of AB inverse is also 8. Therefore, determinant of A, determinant of B inverse is equal to 8. Now, determinant of B inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant of B, which is 8. Now here, determinant of B is equal to what? 1 upon 8 into determinant of A. Okay? So, and from here, from 1, or we just put this value in 1. We here we put the value of 1 into determinant of A square into 1 by 8 determinant of A equal to 8. Therefore, determinant of A cube is equal to 64. Now, if determinant of A cube is equal to 64, then we just take determinant of A equal to 4. Okay? And determinant of B is equal to 1 by 4 and 8, 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is there. So we get this 2 value. Now we want to find the determinant of B A inverse BT. Determinant of B A inverse BT is equal to determinant of B, determinant of A inverse, determinant of BT. But we know that BT is equal to B. So B 1 upon determinant of A into determinant of B. It is determinant of B square upon determinant of A. It is 1 by 4 upon 4. It is 1 by 16. So our answer is 1 by 16B. Okay. This sum is asked in 2019. So be careful. Next, 83. Let P is equal to matrix 0 BP to Q minus Q, R minus R, and AT is equal to I3. Then what is determinant of P? And this question is also asked in 2019. So be careful. Okay. Now here, first of all, what we do? We have AAT is equal to I3. Therefore, we just take A inverse both the side. A inverse both the side. Then we have AT is equal to A inverse I3. Okay. Therefore, what we have? AT equal to A inverse. AT equal to A inverse. And we just take AA both the side. ATA is equal to A inverse A, which is I3. So we have ATA is equal to I3. Why we put this value? Because we directly obtain the answer of determinant of P. So here first of all, ATA means what? AT 0 to Q R P Q minus R P minus Q R into A 0 P P to Q minus Q R minus R is equal to 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Okay. Now we just compare this first one. P square plus P square equal to 1 means 2P square equal to 1 means P square equal to 1 by 2. Now what? This is the matrix. P is a matrix. Okay. The value of P or determinant of P is 1 upon root 2. So here not determinant but modulus of P is equal to 1 upon root 2. So this is our answer A. We want to just find the value of P which is 1 upon root 2. Okay. In 84, if system 2x plus 2y plus 3z equal to A, 3x minus y plus 5z equal to B, x minus 3y plus 2z equal to C has more than one solution where ABC belongs to R minus 0, then what is the correct answer 2019. This question is asked in 2019. Okay, so remember very carefully. Here just a shortcut method is this, that you just find the equation in which you put B, C, A's value and you get 0 answer. Okay, so if you see that here 2x, x and 3x are there. So if we want to obtain this 0, then what we do? We take A plus C minus B. Then we get our answer is 0. 2x plus 2y plus 3z plus x minus 3y plus 2z minus 3x plus y minus 5z is equal to, this x are removed, y and z all are removed, we get 0 answer. So either A plus C minus B equal to 0 or B minus A minus C equal to 0, which is our first answer, A. A is our answer. Okay, then we go for the next one. 85. The set of lambda for which the system x minus 2y minus 2z equal to lambda x, x plus 2y plus z equal to lambda z, and minus x minus y is equal to lambda z has a non-trivial solution. 2019 question is there, and A, B, C, D are given that contains more than 2 elements, singleton set, null set, and exactly 2 elements. Okay, so here first of all we know that if the system has non-trivial solution, if system has non-trivial solution, then determinant of A is 0. Therefore, here 1 minus lambda minus 2 minus 2, 1, 2, 1 minus lambda and minus 1 minus 1 minus lambda is 0. Okay. Now we just solve it and we get our answer. 1 minus lambda, 1, 2, minus 2 minus 2, 2 minus lambda. Okay, so here there is one mistake in our question, that here it is y, not z. So here this become minus 1 minus lambda. Okay, and the last is 1 minus 1. Okay, just a minute. Okay, so here now if we simplify, then we get the lambda's answer, which is 1. Okay, lambda is equal to 1. And if you want to simplify, then you can simplify. Otherwise, it is very easy to simplify. If you just simplify, then you get lambda equal to 0, and therefore we can say that our answer is B. Singleton set. Lambda has only one value. Okay.